Target locked. Fire!
Direct hit on the target vessel.
Ma'am, thermal confirms heavy damage. The Peleliu is taking water. Tugs are moving into position now.
Holding course, bringing her around.
もうすぐ時間だね。順次はいいか？
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1, fire!
Launch sequence successful. Trajectory holding nominal. Missile is away.
Trajectory nominal. Effects is transfer till make fun RTO be proud.
Ordnance verified. Maintaining plotted intercept course to the fleet. Damage assessment confirms crippling hit on Peleliu. Smoke is too thick for visuals. Awaiting clearance. Echo 6, actual. We are alongside the Peleliu. Massive hull breach starboard side, waterline. Blast appears internal, structural integrity compromised.
The hull is compromised. We have approximately 3 hours until complete failure. All hands prepare to abandon ship.
Command, this is Viper 6, confirming heavy structural damage near the waterline, grid reference Charlie Foxtrot 9er. Significant entry point observed, approximate 20 meters across.
Confirmed target acquisition. Fire command acknowledged. Launching.
Sector is clear. We are green for launch. Over.
All units hold position. Awaiting clearance for secondary fire sequence. Stand by for launch authorization.
HIMARS 52, localized winds negligible. Ready to fire. Over.
All stations, launch sequence initiated. Stand by for firing solution. Confirm target coordinates, grid reference X-ray Charlie 29er. Stand by for launch.
HIMARS is Winchester, RTB.
Copy that. Proceeding with rearm sequence. Spike NLOS confirmed.
Payload secured. Final checks complete. Ground is clear. You are good to go.
Basilisk 1-1, passing starboard, low altitude. Confirm range clear for firing sequence.
Maintain tight formation, wingman. Keep eyes on the target ahead.
Target acquired at coordinates Golf Delta-4. Apache 1, you are clear to engage.
Weapon systems hot. Targeting locked, awaiting clearance.
All units, weapons free on designated target. I repeat, weapons free. Copy. Engaging hostile vessel now.
Firing now. Missile away. Anti-ship missile sequence initiated. Tracking locked. Confirm launch parameters. Station 3 confirms target lock. Weapon status is green. Ready for launch. Harpoon missile away. Confirming successful deployment. Harpoon launch successful. Missile tracking nominal.
Keep it steady, we're almost at the bay. Confirmed. Watch the alignment.
All systems green, Hornet 1-9er. Clear for launch on my signal.
Falcon flight. Airspace cleared, you are weapons free, en route to target. Dark Star lead, this is Viper 2. Intercept course confirmed. Weapon status is green.
Target locked, USS Mobile Bay. Firing sequence initiated.
Impact in 3. Impact! Target confirmed. The USS Mobile Bay is experiencing catastrophic flooding and is actively sinking.